Catherine says
It's
being
just
an
hard.
actress is hard.
Maybe it's just hard for our job because when you do something right, people will praise you. But when we do something bad, people will bash you twice as much. So, ang hirap sigurong matuto kasi lahat ng tao inintay lang yung magkamali ka. And kung normal na tao, hindi naman ganun yun, di ba po? But then again, we're public figures and we chose this job. So at the end of the day, it's having the right mindset. It's being grateful for everything.